One of my friends has done volunteer teaching in Chad. Very poor country, very poor people. But there are still business opportunities.
Hello everyone, today our group's topic is Build a Livable City for Ball, Chad. Here's a brief introduction about this city and this country. Chad, as a landlocked country lacking abundant natural resources, Chad has always been one of the most disadvantaged African countries. 3 decades of internal conflict and political instability has disrupted social and migratory patterns and worsened poverty in the country. With only 3.9% arable land and lack of access to agricultural services and to the knowledge and technology they need to improve productivity, agriculture in Chad is heavily underdeveloped. Bau, located in middle west of Chad near the Lake Chad, is a small city with a population of about 10,000. This is one of the few cities in Chad with natural resources like natural and coal. And this is also where our team's project starts.
Lake Chad is a historically large, shallow, endorheic lake in Africa, which was varied in size over the centuries. We found that this area has some natural resources which can be exported or made into some products. By far, the potential most important resources is oil. In 1970, a consortium of Conoco, Shell, Chevron, and Exxon started exploration and in 1974 discovered minor oil deposits near the north of Lake Chad. On the other hand, natron, also called soda or washing soda, were located around the shore of Lake Chad. Natron was used as a salt for medical purpose, or as a preservative for hides, and as an ingredient in the traditional manufacture of soap. So we believe that the poor condition in this area near Lake Chad can be mitigated by making full use of these natural resources. My team made further explanation for the plan of exploiting these natural resources.
Okay, let's move on to business plan. Our business plan is to build a metal collection factory near Bol City from Sahaka to Lake Chad in the first year, and then on the second year, after it's complete, we will rent 200 high-educated managers and technical staff to create 8,000 to 10,000 job opportunities after it complete. Then we'll build a refinery to refine the metals to improve the quality and create more than 5,000 jobs opportunities in the year 3 by using the profit we earned from the first 2 years. This business plan is under government's policy and within our budget.
This cooperation would significantly increase the demand for workers, which would generate more incomes and jobs, and increase the living standards. It comes with potential cost upon the city. Ultimately, mining would bring about other problems, like providing climate warming coals and endangering miners' lives, and maybe serious water polluter. But all of these could be tackled with complete set of protective equipment and workplace practice. We should not flout these side effects, and instead, government should urge us to accelerate the transition of operation from immature to perfection.
Our revenue model is a gradual development, and we have several phases for the pre-construction, acquisition, and the construction and operational phase. So actually, we can see at very first time we basically spend our costs in registration and paperwork. Then we move on to the equipment and the machineries, and then we move on to manpower orientation and training. So in the operational phase, we not only cover some material expenses like chemicals made, and we also have the transportation expenses. And the next total cost would be about 100 million, and the revenues would be 500 million during 3 to 5 years, and our profit would be 400 million.